Please keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. I might take a nap around 12. Normally 1 o'clock is my nap time, but sometimes I take my nap a little early. There's so much stuff running. I wish I could buy music on this iPad, because it's connected to my old phone. Not this phone, but my other phone. My iPhone 14, I think. Please subscribe and thumbs up me and do everything. My nose hurts for some reason. This side of my nose hurts. I don't know why. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm sick of my TV messing up. It's not like messing, but I'm sick and tired of YouTube messing up on TV. I love this song. Sometimes it can get annoying. I had songs that were so annoying. But that's on my like list on YouTube. Like if you want to kicking in. Yeah. I like regular tea. Well, the kind of moms get. Here's a dirty little secret. They're just as good at causing heart disease as any cigarette. It's chilly in my room. I don't know why. It's cold. I don't have the fan on. You can't see the fan. I can't raise my arms that high. Well, yeah. I can't make my arms go that far. I'll watch one more video on YouTube. Using my imagination, I act like a wiggle. I knew this song for years. I watched the Wiggles as a kid, and I still do watch them. That part was funny. Go ahead and hit the wrong button. Good thing. Oh, I actually did on the iPad. I love this song. They did it in 2012 too. Before the Fruits on TV people were on there. Kind of makes me laugh a little. This video kind of makes me want to laugh a little. I hate my life. My nose itches. It makes my chin itch. I know the song. I might make a TikTok before I go to sleep. And she is the new Blue Wiggle for Fruits Out TV. Dogs can't do gymnastics. I'm just letting you know, dogs can't do gymnastics. Only humans. Like. This is the last time I'm gonna listen to it. I can do that song. I use my imagination. It's not easy doing it, like, well, they're on tour right now. Oh, they're on tour. Just saying. And I missed the one in Indianapolis. Well, I didn't want to go. Well, I wanted to go, but people would get killed. Like, me and my mom. And my stepdad. I'm surprised Anthony's still wiggle. He's been a wiggle for, like, he's an OG one. One of the old ones. Before I was born, Anthony and Jeff were part of, Anthony's brother, Paul. They did a cockroach. They were the cockroaches. Not like a cockroaches that bite. That played in a band. I'm just letting. Shut off. I was telling my iPad to shut off. The iPad to shut off. Sorry about the yelling yesterday. I was ignoring Miss Coco, and that's what I was saying. I had detention again. Once I get more coins on TikTok, I'll be a fan of Miss Ocean and Miss Coco. Which she'll probably yell at me if I do it. Just saying. YouTube. Don't worry. I'm gonna try and connect my phone to my TV. One time I connected to the raw TV. I don't know why it messed up on me. It woke me up this morning. Anyways, I'm gonna take a nap now. I'll be back on later probably. Making Please subscribe, thumbs up me, like my videos, share my videos. Please do all that. Please.